This is the weekly chart of Bitcoin, right? Meron akong ginawang parallel channel po dito. Alright, this parallel channel, ito yung ginamit ko when I started to take profit start ako November, December, January, hanggang January. Ito po yon. Kasi nung I draw this parallel channel sa weekly, meaning the bigger time frame, what I saw was nandun na tayo sa top. Ito po yon. Ito po yung top. Top ng December, top ng January. That's why I started taking profit dito sa area na yan. Look at this. Nag-pullback siya, yung price, at nag-bounce dun sa pivot area ng parallel channel, the middle of the parallel channel. Look at this. Ang ganda ng bounce, ang ganda ng talbog. So ngayon po, it's pumping again. And if gagana ulit itong channel na to, maybe we're gonna see Bitcoin slightly break its all-time high of 109, 110,000 or towards this area. Maybe 114, 115, 112. Magwi-week. Sa weekly to ha. Pwedeng gumawa ng week tapos mag-pullback. If tutuloy niya po ito ha, itong parallel channel natin. Of course, nothing is 100% guaranteed.